Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Blossoming Baltimore Oriole. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Bob Rutten. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again they get to submit photos to me, and I'll take some of them and turn them into YouTube tutorials. And as a thank you, I'll send this original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So this one is going off to Bob soon enough. So if you're interested in either watching the full-length version of this video, or 2, learning more about the Patreon membership program and how you can submit your photos, or more about the program itself where there's a bunch of other painting benefits that you get to utilize to increase your painting and artistic skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very lively bird image, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.